We are at Wednesday. This is week 12, day 33 for BCA-101. We covered some security issues, and then the groups worked on their skills-based assessment. So let's. Some of it was done on the computer, so basically we did a review. We talked about data integrity, confidentiality, and availability. I have this on the board so that while we were doing some of the work on the computer, we could reference it. Data states, the data is either stored, it's in transit, or it's being processed. We're concerned about its accuracy, who can see the data, and yet we have to make data available, which then causes us to have these concerns. Okay? So, if we want to have ways to take care of the data, you can have products and devices, and have firewalls, virus software, malware software, two different types of firewalls, hardware and software. So we have all kinds of software products, and we have different types of devices that can help us secure it. People have to be aware of what data is being stored and what they're doing with the data, and also not being tricked into giving some people information. Okay? We have procedures to help keep data secure, processes, so that if you're going to have data, there's some procedure that you should use when distributing the data and so forth. And then a huge part, in fact I'm going to make it in red, policies. All organizations have to have security policies. Policies that you must follow. We did an example, we talked about an example where you could get fired for breaking a policy. Like how you use the company email, what you distribute on the company email, how you handle company data. Can you use flash drives and take data home? How about the computer or device you have? Does the company own it or do you own it? And what data can you have on it? And on and on and on and on. So we have policies that help us guide all that. Guidelines are like a policy. Okay, they're like a policy, except they're more like what would be the word? Something you should follow. For example, you might have a guideline that says you should change your password every week, every month, every year, whatever it is. But you don't specifically have a policy that says it has to be every 30 days or something. Guidelines are great, especially for companies that have employees they can trust. That's a novel idea. All right. Well, and then we looked at, to finish up this, we looked at some examples of encryption. Okay. I sent all the students an encrypted file, and then I sent all the students a hash of that file. And so then they could take, after they unencrypted the file, they could hash it, and I hashed the original file, and then the key here is, do the hashes match? If the hashes match, then the information that moved from my computer to a directory on the server that they were looking, it must have not changed. Couldn't have changed. All right, that's it.